We humans consume a lot of food, and with all this food comes lots and lots of waste. Vegetable peelings, tea bags, eggshells and fish bones. And then there's the food that we end up throwing away, that went off before we had a chance to eat it. So what if I told you that by getting rid of your food waste correctly, it means that you're helping the environment and helping power your local area? Sounds good to me. You should already have a food caddy and a bin, and your council will give you free bags for them. Throw away all your food scraps, veg peels and unused leftovers in the food bin, and then every week your local council will come and pick it up right from outside your house. Simple. This is where the magic happens. Every tea bag, food scrap, peeling or mouldy crust you've lovingly put into your food caddy will come here, to Welsh Water's organic energy plant in Tremorfa. And then your food waste gets turned into green energy that powers treatment plants like this one. It's a win-win. It means less landfill, a cleaner environment and cheaper running costs for Welsh Water, which will keep bills down for you. And it only takes one food caddy to generate enough electricity to power a TV for a whole football match. And 22 tea bags can power a Hoover for 10 minutes. Which means you can power your area one tea bag, orange peel or banana skin at a time. Check out the link in this post to find out which day your food waste caddy is collected and for full details on what can and can't be recycled.